today on the bike we're going to be putting on the switch, the speed selector. I was thinking like somewhere here or maybe down here, I don't know, maybe there. But currently my speed selector is this broken half of a connector where I have the wires looped, and I just put it on for high or low, and then I just leave it off for the medium. But this is going to be a lot more effective, having the three-way switch. That's going to be good. So just have to find a spot. I don't feel like putting it back here, it's too crowded, so let's try up here. Yeah, another thing is it has this connector. I'm not getting these. I found these knockoff Wago connectors, so I'll use that because I just don't feel like splicing anymore. As well as like if it's attached to the fairing, it's gonna need a connector. I can't have a soldered thing, so it's gonna be wannabe Wago or bust. And yeah, they're all the same color because that's what you got when you're scrapping. Okay, so now we got our beautiful speed selector. So that's slow, medium, and fast. And now we just have to wire up the stuff correspondingly. So we got these guys, and it's gotta get connected into there. Sweet deal. Okay, so what I did was I put a little bit of solder after folding the ends of the wires over, because these are meant for a little bit larger, like these guys. So now I'm gonna have a connector. I just have to correspond the wires, and then we'll see if it works. Okay, so it's hooked up 50-50. It's wired up good, so let's try it in low. Medium. High. Well, today's 50-50 is pretty good. Wow, brakes are frozen. Jeez.